So stay tuned as I'll be giving you a YouTube end screen template that you can use in all of your videos in 2019. And so welcome back to this little series on how to rank videos in 2019. If this is the first video that you're watching in this little series, the full series will be available somewhere around here for you to go and have a look at. And so with that, I've already showed you a little bit of what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. So again, as I mentioned before in some of the previous videos, YouTube rewards those that keep people on their platform for longer. Now, in saying that, end screens and cards are a little bit of a gray area for me. So I do, however, recommend you add them because again, it just ties everything in and it keeps people on the platform for longer by having them go through playlists or your videos or the rest of your content. Oh, and then obviously have them subscribe to your channel as well. And so what I suggest you do is you add a template to the ends of your videos before uploading so that you have some form of uniformity going on. Now I'll give you a template to work from that's free, and if you don't have Photoshop, remember that you could always make use of a site called Photopea or Photopea or however you say that to open up your PSD files. It's absolutely free, and as you can see over here, it looks exactly like Photoshop. So you're welcome to use the template and change it to your needs. So what you would do is you would take that file once you've changed it, you would then add it to the ends of your videos before you upload that to YouTube. You then export the video and it's job done. You can of course just throw up end screens to your videos. It works just as well. So what I personally use, however, is a little add-on that I just add into Premiere Pro when I edit the videos, and this is basically what you're having a look at now. And it allows me to just drop my end screens in there. So it's called an end screen graphic, and you literally just drag and drop that onto your timeline in Premiere Pro when you edit the videos. So I'll add a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I believe it also works in After Effects as well as Final Cut Pro. Now cards are just as useful if you want to get people to interact at various times in your video, exactly like what I did in the beginning of this video where I pointed to a section in the screen and you will see a card popping up over there. This basically just leads people onto more of your videos, or have people subscribe, or have people go to playlists, or whatever the case is. So for example, you can link an updated or an older video inside another video so that people can watch those as well and jump around between your videos. You know, ultimately the aim is to keep the people on the platform for as long as possible. This is entirely optional as it has absolutely no bearing on ranking or even getting suggested. This just helps people to stay on your videos for longer, and we know by now again that YouTube loves this. So I recommend adding the following end screen elements: subscribe, best for viewer, which you will find over here, and then also most recent upload, again, which you will find over here. And so for YouTube end screens and cards, that's about it. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of little tricks and tips of what you can do to help boost your video from the beginning, because when it comes to ranking, the first 24 hours of your video is super important. So you know, there's a couple of things that you can do which I would suggest you do in order to get your video going and to sort of boost the overall performance. I've said this before, subscribing helps me help you, and so help me help you. Stay awesome.